Hi, I'm Stefano Chiostini, manager of the closure division at SACMI. Today I would like to show you how your flat top cap manufacturing changes with the newly born CCM64MD. The purpose of this project is to rewrite the ground rules as maximum productivity, energy consumption reduction, while keeping the operational simplicity you have become accustomed to. Let's talk about number. With the CCM64MD, minimum cycle time is just 1.35 seconds, resulting in 2,850 closure per minute, using only 64 molds. 1.35 seconds is the best in the business history, and we wanted it to support the high volumes required by your market. The result you get with the CCM64MD are the combination of an innovative press and a mold specially developed in-house to achieve these performances. We relied on 𝐒𝐂𝐿+ technology, a SACMI patent that is already the market benchmark, to further improve the mold's repeatability and performance, achieving a record of 1.35 seconds, unmatched by the competition. The combination of these solutions leads to a reduction of up to 15% in specific energy consumption compared to the previous generation, which was already, in any case, the benchmark of cap manufacturing. We designed the whole line to achieve the right balance between floor space and easy access for maintenance operation, thing that we know that is a must for all of our customers. The result is 50% plus productivity with a footprint of only 53 square meters, and the advantages of handling large volumes with a single machine, significantly reduced operating costs, and optimization of the resources needed for your manufacturing. At SACMI, digitalizing the manufacture means making it more profitable and sustainable. That's why, with this line, you get CVS, the embedded vision system for process and product quality control, but also the well-known SmartPack and SmartCare, the premium packages of hardware and software solutions for fast and precise actions on the process, and also a continuous in-depth medium to long-term monitoring of the entire line with the scope of doing predictive actions. Concerning CVS, the CCM64MD incorporates the latest advancement in SACMI vision systems. With various configurations of cameras, CVS is available with classic AI, the process control tool that, working on artificial intelligence model, allowed not only to identify defective caps and causes, but also to classify the defects, greatly simplifying control. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot more to show you. Visit us at drinktec to see the future of your manufacturing up close.